Hello everyone! Happy New Year! Today I'm getting ready to go out to meet some friends. So let's do this makeup look. First, use a moisturizing spray. Pat it in so it absorbs. A makeup primer. During the new year, does your family prepare fried delicious foods? Recently, our family fried a lot of meatballs and meat these past 2 days. As soon as I started eating, I immediately got a red pimple here. But it smells so good. When eating, I can't help but eat a lot. If I keep eating like this during the Spring Festival, I'll probably gain 3 to 5 pounds at least. Before foundation, we use this essence spray. Spray it onto the brush. This way, the brush applies very dense and thin layers. For foundation, use about 1 to 1.5 pumps. Start brushing from the center of the face. When you brush it like this, the base looks very even and thin. Lightly blend it across, and you'll feel the base makeup is very smooth. Then we start from the cheekbone area. Quickly blend it across. Then use a dry sponge and gently pat it. Blend the lower face area like this. Next, for concealer, put some on the dark circles. Then for large spots. Small imperfections or moles usually aren't covered. For pimples, we press like this. Before blending, you can use setting spray. Spray the setting spray on the small sponge. Wait until it's slightly dry and then pat. This will make it stick better. After using setting spray, the concealer basically won't move anymore. You can see it covers very well and evenly. For the pimple, blend only the edges. Don't press the center. This way, the pimple is covered. For this makeup, we mainly lift the center of the face to make it look fuller. The nose bridge and the middle of the forehead blend a little highlight there. The highlight I'm using has a pink tone, so the effect is very natural but also very plump with a soft pink glow. Then use this glossy liquid. It's similar to foundation, but after applying it, the base looks shiny and beautiful. The shade is slightly brown and slightly yellow, so when applied on the cheekbones, it works like contour but still very bright. Does it look very full, like a shell-like glow? Next, contour. Make the nose tip slightly rounder. A rounder nose tip looks more elegant. Deepen the nose bridge. Blend upward diagonally. On both sides of the bridge, we deepen like this. Use the other end of the concealer, this blending cream, blend it. It's quite useful and practical. Then use this shade, apply it to the inner eye corner. Just tap it in place, don't move upward. Tap it right here. This shade is more orange. Then use this peach pink, apply it directly under the eyes. Also, tap in place without moving. Tap until it reaches this level. Then spray another layer of facial mist. This setting spray smells nice. Let it air dry. Then we set the makeup with this powder. This makeup look needs a very clear and plump base. The powder is very fine, especially under the eyes. When you set it, the base still keeps a natural skin glow. It keeps the glow, but also has a soft, velvety feeling. For eye makeup, use this palette. These colors match this makeup look very well. Use this light pink as the base. Press it onto the eyelids, then blend it outward. This base color already creates a soft, romantic atmosphere. Very pink. For the base color, apply it until the outer corner of the eye. No need to extend too far. Then use a small sponge, dip into the base color. Define the lower eyelid, including the aiguisole outline. The outer lower corner can be slightly deeper. The overall vibe is soft and cute. Then use this burgundy shade. Start from the outer corner. Along the lash line, blend and deepen. Extend slightly outward. Then blend upward for transition. Use this silver glitter, apply it in the center of the eyelid. Blend it towards both sides. Then use this transparent pink glitter, layer it slightly in the center. Blend it out. Together with the silver glitter, it makes the eye makeup look brighter and more transparent. Next, use a black gel eyeliner. Draw the inner eyeliner all around. Make sure the inner corner is drawn. Continue until the outer corner. No need to extend outward. This makes the eyes look round. For aiguisol, use this small palette. Use this brown shade. First, deepen the lower eyelid. Draw the aiguisol slightly downward. Then use the highlight shade in the palette, brighten under the eyes. Then blend forward. Next, use the pink shimmer from the palette to highlight the aiguisol. Then curl the lashes. Apply lash primer, comb the lashes upward to separate each lash. Then use black mascara to deepen them one by one. Then use contour powder to deepen the nose bridge. You can see the comparison between left and right. The left side instantly looks more lifted. Let's deepen this side as well, including the nose tip to make it look rounder and softer. Use a shimmer, apply a little on the nose tip and nose bridge. For the eyebrows, use brow powder to outline the shape. For this look, draw slightly flatter brows. Then use a brow pencil, follow the hair growth, draw strokes one by one. For the brow head, also do the same. First, use a lip liner. Outline the lip shape. Use your finger to slightly blend the edges. For lipstick, use this soft shade. It looks very soft. It gives a kind of milk tea bubble vibe. I think we can add a plumping lip gloss. Then, this makeup is finished. Change the hairstyle, and I'm going out to meet some friends.